Remember, even though insurance money is there to pay for the damages that you have suffered, insurance companies they still think it's their money. Even if you have hired the best lawyer, it's important to know how to interact with the insurance companies and their adjusters. In commercial cases, the adjuster is there to minimize your claim every step of the way. They do this by scrutinizing every scrap of information you give them, trying to shift as much blame as possible on the you to minimize your payout. Insurance companies adjusters know how to get evidence into a courtroom. Most non-attorneys don't. For example, you cannot just hand your medical bills to the judge in a court case. They have to be verified and meet the evidentiary standards of the court. When you send and register a copy of your medical bill that does not meet the standards of evidence, they know that if they were to make you to court, you don't know how to get evidence admitted and will with you accordingly. The first step in standing up to them and the insurance company in general is to know what they are trying to accomplish, making your payout as small as possible. How to successfully prove your commercial vehicle accident claim. The first thing to understanding about your claim is that the insurance company wants to pay you as little as legally possible for themselves. The sooner you understand this fact, the better your claim chances of success. In order to prove your claim, you have to provide adequately verified evidence not only of your injuries but also that the trucking company should be held liable for causing the wreck in which you were hurt. The only adequate way of acquiring that evidence and making sure it's admissible in court is by hiring a truck accident lawyer who can launch a thorough independent investigation into the collision. The trucking company or its insurance provider will have nearly unlimited opportunity to tamper with evidence at the scene of the accident. If you do not have legal representation, you would hope, of course, that would not happen, but it has happened in far too many instances to discount the possibility. You would hope, of course, that would not happen, but what it has happened in far too many instances to discount the possible by having a semi truck accident attorney on your side, conducting an investigation on your behalf. However, you can make sure the other side is playing by the rules. The fact that the scene of an accident can also undergo rapid change due to road constructions, weather condition, and other factors is even more of reason to call a Texas semi-truck accident attorney as soon as you can, also so that he or she can immediately get to work gathering the evidence you need. Without a skilled semi-truck accident lawyer, the trucking company or its insurance provider will most likely dig in their heels and refuse to pay you anything approximate what you deserve. If you cannot provide the evidence you need to convince them, or otherwise you could find yourself facing the very real risk of getting nothing for the suffering you have been forced to endure. Dealing with commercial insurance companies is not a game. Your life has already been turned upside down by a commercial truck accident. Without proper legal representation and a solid knowledge of how to law works, there is a chance you will not get everything that you are on or the under the law. We recommend only we recommend only communicating with insurance companies through competent legal representation. This include matters like getting a truck driver insurance information as soon as the accident occurs. Insurance companies begin looking for ways not to pay you. It is imperative to have someone looking out for your interests in a commercial insurance claim, because insurance companies will have plenty of people looking out of